Hi everyone, my name is Rochelle and in today's video we're going to talk about the importance of using serums and in particular Alpha-H's Vitamin C Serum. You might be wondering, why is vitamin C so important for the skin? Well, it helps to reduce pigmentation, sun damage and stimulate collagen. It also improves skin texture, radiance and elasticity. The Alpha-H Vitamin C Serum is a potent antioxidant serum blended with botanicals and the hydrating properties of hyaluronic acid. After using this product, I found that my skin looked plumper, firmer, and just generally more vibrant. So let's have a quick look at how the product works and how you apply it. You'll notice the bottle is small, but that's because a small amount of product goes a long way. So by tilting your head back, directly place 1 drop of the product onto your forehead, then gently work into the skin. Follow this step for your cheeks, chin and nose, avoiding the delicate eye area. After using the serum, follow with your preferred Alpha-H moisturiser. Lastly, make sure that you're protecting your skin from further damage with a broad spectrum sunscreen for the best results. So when is it best to use this product? You only need to use a serum once daily, and I'd recommend using it first thing in the morning before your busy day. And who can use it? Well, there's no skin that wouldn't benefit from using vitamin C serum, so it's safe to say anyone can and should be using this product. If you are suffering from sun damage or pigmentation, the application of sunscreen after your serum is non-negotiable. If you are serious about preventing further damage, this step is a must. Be sure to check out my other Alpha-H reviews and tutorials, and for more information about Alpha-H products, just head to alphah.com.